Ebisian for your mama kwaba afe ye de fe twato no ebrem aha na edi Ghana nkomono na yaboafo no edu isabre ya wo mu na efa ehoka ekitamu maye intimity Adekye Essentials ane o #1 hair shop oma enua efe soft shiny and silky na mu wani munyam eba Adekye Essentials wo East Legon ofa Main Lagos Avenue and I say Main Lagos Avenue Kwaina we are media pharmacy no obehu said this Ababa Avenue ne wo hono na wafaso ko nim kakra bia Malabo Avenue enie Instagram so Adekye Essentials ne Essentials no S ka ho enti no ay S ne me no obehu enua efe ho na so choose choice de be fata wanim a obetumi ede akokwan bia obekipi no several years efisani mi no eye papa obetumi so Adekye Essentials ewo 0243639053053 0243639053053 Pabwanso de Macbro collection wo Pick Farm Abedipele Plaza no tra no ko nim kakra bia onsa benkum subo onsa bronsan painting blue navy blue ewo honom fe 00244211491 them mom say wo kwa facials and as massage na o ye pedicure ni manicure wo sha wo lash bia na nsen kra de ese abefu bia ba ye da ye lash ni nyina ayo en nsen de enema fe koso wo krom enti bomodi ase obedru Studio Fix ewo Jowlo Studio Fix ewo E Plaza 2 wo Jowlo Dina Best Pension Trust wo mu na Best Pension for no wo show na Studio Fix ewo ase na onsiesie on fixew wa ho ofani amani nyina na bibia enye kama fair wonum 02029665530 02029665553 and 02438467119 on fixo na fa ekobebia ukobia ene ensemo aye ba bedwentwen ho no ye hwe se consumer talk tax o te se ne ye ka ho asem amanfo say ya na makom kra de wo mu nkomo na ye di ne ya no ompese o mu ka bi enti bia ahoma no tumu no ye se de e paye no na last call abai no obeka se da bi me wo afa se akurase macaroni o se akurase makana nso manu enti we de mampani wani mu a Adekye de no eno no ti e bedi ho nkomo na yen abadwafo no maba no so say no adwen ye won efa ho efise si ayi no ene daily graphic de bae no chamber of telecom chamber for no say enya beye adwuma mampani di ne twodua ne sisu na enya bam say wom one cedi bia tax albetua wo ho 22 pesos na fe ya kan school feed na service o man for no bi o mo frɛ o ma so mo kom say ya we dem kwa de beye si o ye hia tax ya yo man yo say he tax na bi agi akakra bi pe ena enya ho mfaso enye bia ni school feeding na yesi enhwe man kwada ne nuane na enhwe wo mu nkura na ba bia kwada na komtion ko school no so ko school no benya aduane adidi a ono kro tifi akomuku no adanti no onko school enu so nsaman di akobem auditor general report ne che say ketra aduane no wono aye kra nso ne din wo in fact e bi kra no onye ketra enso ne din wo ye wagisika na de wano aduane no nso kra ye ntua ne ka adan ye hu sanfo sa ye be den na school feed enhyehyeye ayeye fi se eya eboa pa tiche won mu a wo mo nkro nketo mu no ka pa na ye yidi afri tema ye fi epoye ne de akwa atoye ne de kwa atoye no ye be yi ne ya woda na ebe kwa kodu fie da na nso omu ehia nafu be se du nson ai se fridge ya peja no kodu ya wo so asembeba ti o se enya bre na etwen kakra ne ye ntoto ni bibia ti be na wo twemienu ntama ansa na afei wo mo atwaja atum na ase ahyase ye adwuma sai na fuadu nso na na ebisa se enkane ane sem ne san ne besi aye na nso te se na nada mo asese de aya ne sai ye gisi ekọ ECG fo ho na mkra mbisa se ase aye ko ECG na ekọ PDS but o si ECG fo no betumi a cheti ebedi mu nkomo ne ebisa se saa no ye nkane asem no 17 days no san NBC aye also betumi de wadwen chaba watin sem aye di ho nkomo ene Facebook UTV Ghana Instagram UTV Ghana wo de ba ye be kenkan edi ama abadwafo a waje penia no pe waba studio ha ye ne wonum edi nkomo no Honorable Henry Kwabena Kokofu oye former MP Emomanfo a wonum ewo Bantama na oye Bantama Kwabena Kokofu and then the African print near me pa. Ejani doc or a doctor of laws. Akwaba. Empumwe.
Adom nempa bonti.
Yedenya me ase.
Eho ye.
Oh, nyame adom. Badeka de salanso.
Also eh.
Oh, men so ohini nti. Ye won kwan de ese ye wade. Ade achi ye nko ade eye. Ye wani da so.
Menim se mini asame nso eho ye.
Wa fi same wo. Same ona kokofo afew ye na bra.
O ka barka de sala.
Ani.
Ah yeah.
Senra mehu.
Enra hu me.
Aha.
Chief imam ne amamu penfo nyina mo afisiapa.
Okay.
Muslimi fikru na wo memu. Won dwumadi omti bo man no esombo papa titiri mpa bom. Bambo ne asumdwie kwaso.
Yeah.
Nti eme nyina ho afisiapa na afide yamfa nche nyina yedi pa.
Eni odi pa me de anopa kra na me ne afia che ye protest ye de ahia asema to chief imam anim.
Okay.
Say e wo se nam no wo mu de ye de bre special nti achecha Amazongo communities no fada manima mamobi ehimfa bi madina wo mu form namra because enura ye de nti ye twen yaje. Broja Jemfi ye NDC communication team member. Ohene akwaba.
Joso.
Badika de sala.
Bakakade.
Bibia boko.
Nyame adom.
Na nso di ya na afi na ubedi.
Ma yenuanom kremofo happy Eid.
Okay.
Ka Eid Mubarak. Na ensre nyame se empire ya bo na afi mu nyina no. Onto super muso. Na yenuanom so mo komeka afi nim se omo start ya akodada.
Yeah.
Nyame enhwe wo muso mfa wo nko na mpaibo a omoko fam ni nyina no omontimi nyana enso nyame ani na bi nso nka Ghana man.
Madam Asia kan say no afei ene daily graphic e de aba na me sure say enu de omanfo enkomodie koso nti ye de no hyase say sa proposed increase in communication tax no yes say ebema consumers ye ne aye kasa wo telephone so mobile phone so ene wo mo to data e de browse e de WhatsApp e de Instagram e de Twitter ni ade ni nyina bibia e fa mobile phone ho say eye auto de kanene kan unit credit de e ho be cafe say tax increment na telecommunication chamber for ni CCC no ye uyi 1 cedi bia ubetua a tax of 22 pesos e wo so we ade a ehu ana so senya yi bia o se yete ase oman chechireye ene oman yeyo enti broja
Nyaba asemo
ade na ma ne ya asem say nim sa ban ton hwe tax e no de be your mind
no kre bana mamechia chairman kokofu ebia bana ye kan ban asema ya na ebi mo free say e ya manyo sem wo position nti oba ne abeka ebema aban eho akire no ana say manfo befu aban ti na eba ye kan nanso nya no nti ye ba ye kan se ne ebe ye yie na Ghana for nso ye bedi ye eno panti na eba ema ye kan ho asem sa communication tax ya ban adwene po dada omo ne cabinet akohia mampaniti mu bi finance minister de akoto mpanifo animu aban na gi atum se omo beto sa communication tax mu.
Sorry, but member mu kakra se na che se enye se adefoforo e na aban introduce ya ade a wo dada
communication service tax no president Kofo na de buy.
Okay.
I'm say 2007 ho baby.
Okay.
Na e best start year Juma 2008.
Okay.
Na se si ade aban se tax no e na aban akotum be se ohamu nchichemu aduonum 50% increment in the tax. Na eno na ema ne 2 hash sebi se etwa yede to ensuo so na se kane no yetua ebia taku ana sempoa emfa ne se 50 pesos na wo beto sa to num na de ko 1 cedi a na che se wabu amanfo komu anu nti eno ho asem na ye kan nti mampani any finance minister and pennyfoil or vice president munyina ti meeting and o magye atum say emphasize tax no e me hye yakon omodi kodu mrahye bedwafiem ye kan ho asem a afi de mrahye bedwafo sorry no na no no omo apase nti emra ne de aye adwuma awia anisa so obi ware hyemu say obi ana mampani ansan ne ade a ware hyemu no enkosi ba bia
sa no pena me nua be ma room you say we de opacho akura se wakana so wo hweye
o man ko mbetimi a stop ade ne emrahye bedwafo
okay
because ansana finance minister ono obekọ parliament no oni mampani ne na pamfo nyina akwadwene ho awie ene ode akọ nti se mampani ka ho bi ena ye beto sa ato emu a menim de ebe mana ka se on va ne pen ensi so ode esi so ode esi so
no so ase ne obetimi aka se me pen
e very very harsh se ne awo kan se we use WhatsApp we abeye WhatsApp tax no we use Twitter abeye Twitter tax se call keke na wo ya ababeye call tax nti e affect bibia and as say nso baby ewiase kono even businesses are going digital e kwan be na e be fa so a e be provide service a man for ho beto wo mu convenient efficiency and sadness money nti many businesses are migrating onto the internet ai beboa na se ukofa entumu aba na one Ghana cedi bia 22 pesos otene sai be o say esika kuma bi se obi a ode telephone ye adwuma na bosomi ni nyina auto credit of say 100 cedis per bosomi ni nyina
okay
na je say mu 22 Ghana cedis abanyaje ni ane de enso kosoro ebedru 1000 Ghana cedis emu 220 Ghana cedis abanyaje ni ane de ekọ 10,000 Ghana cedis emu 2,200 Ghana cedis abanyaje eyade a ede ohye ene ohaw beto ye so a ebema yen debia yen kitahudie ababeye den ni aya na ema ne ye ya ne se credit no uto 1 cedi ana 2 cedi debia eno a na sesi a obeto nanso untimi mfa anye call emfa text emfa WhatsApp emfa Twitter to send ni ana ode ye kane no nti you are paying what you have to pay but in terms of value no you are getting less ni nyina ka ho bi na de ahokyere ababa nti ye ba na ye ka sa July budget review a emrache bedwafo ebobo ho a eye finance minister Adekye no na nkofo fi say ye ho dede afa na ho details no ba nye no nko a sa special yi tax ye omokofa ba say luxury vehicle tax on say yi finance minister call emrache bedwafo say wetwam me boase ye nyina yete say o say wetwam nanso so ne ode abehye ho ne say wa untua sa tax no okwa obetua nti yentwa mu ni sunsum san gina ho yemfa ne say ukai na say ana maintenance na car ni bewu ebi a 31st July nti call DVL in renew o roadworthy nti se see no aban se wa yi free ho na ye o de se wo kwa register wo kwa ye be gye o sa tax na o de bad dada no a o se watwam no ye be gye ansana ye twa new roadworthy ne de ama
se o de no ewu ya ansana sa enyu hyehyeye yi ba se enti a wo kan esa
because aban de hyehyeye ba na o se watwam a watwam emanfo osu se tax no ebu ye kon mu
okay
nti nka aban entwen no kan kire say next year there wa wo be kwa wo call license wo car no ye be je wo to no because obia obe benefit wo sa entwamu na ode buy ni bia ye obi a watua dada nti adan na aban antwen no an kan kire say
obi a tua dada
me che say odi obenya so mfaso no ne ye obi a wadi kan akotua tax ni bi dada
okay
nti ka aban twen no ka kire say every 2020 kono sa luxury tax no enya adwuma biem a na obi akoma ato ne yem na agogina parliament say I have abolished, I have eliminated, I have cancelled na nipa ne ko DVL ne say esan say afen na wo car no insurance ewu ana say roadway de ewu nti the finance minister can find
na na wunya mind time na esese wo be ye no that time no na sa emra no na ewo
se see am paninya asenti to sa bills nti em fan say wo car na ewu ene na o sign bill ne kra na wo kwa ye beji usika
oh yes
oh yes
okay
nti told that na budget ni be told na ye chire mu a na bi mu adwen o mo say ye de ya amanyosem dabi we ya niema efa manfo ho a increase the cost of living, cost of doing business. Nkofo utie telecom ya se omo se omo de omo akoye conveyor belt aban de tools wa omo so de bre nti ye na yebetua se eno anye ya agese yi nkofo adi nti aban hyehyɛ bebre eya ade a akoye kotobekuma especially so de wakoma ene wadwene kakai ebra na MPP ba aban mu a na manfo di yaw ewo makoma mu if you say MPP for ba aban mu no omo se omo de akwadwofo aban ene aban a ogege to esan bobisia nti omo de omo be move the country from taxation to production nti ya meje to ne mom ye be see factory ama district bia mo ba man timi ansi factories no ama district no mo be reduce corporate tax and despite group of company say afino so na mo ko file mo tax 25% and a president Akufo-Addo say dosun dodo into ono oba obete so dey about 20% ma ba 2017 2018 2019 budget mun say sa corporate tax no so mo say be increase and mo friend ko for your interview mo ye internet mo research am ye mo adwuma am ye the cost of telephone bills nkwa enya dia eya adeketwa
anka kwan ben foforo so na ban be fa obenya sika dia ye oman ne ho nnwuma ahodo
ohun aban bia adwuma a wo ye eye se obejeje to no dia boman no ho bra
okay
ntinka eto je de eya aban asede so obeye ne so ye betua sa to no but NPP for na be ka kire say enya sa na edibu aban omo de amamuo no eye from taxation to production so we are buying now bie factories bebra unhia say uchinchin manfo nsaje tax nti omo ba be yes adwuma no de amaye omo na kan obi amfa to ansi omo so eno omo ba kan
say from taxation to production ti kakra na wo beje no na fe wo de aye adwuma ma eso aba enti wan kase onje kra
en faso na de aka ho ne kra de wa mo masem because ye hu faso bia abato na omo je ne so then na omo aye over the last 3 years bosi a omo je ne ho nsem nyina mama fama no nsi wa ha communication service tax onim se omo ba ya na omo ko fa company bi de Kelly GVG se kwan a ye fa so jeje to no ntokuro wo mti aban san kaska ni nyina nti empe company a obeboa ne age sa to ne ye ama busumi bia ye tua over 700 million Ghana cedis e de ama sa company no ye hu emfaso a omo de aba ya san be to tax nim amene okay we now see honorable say no ma we host you stop we say the man story ni say Ghana for ye subscribe to mobile phone ye 35 million so obia use 1 CD credit just the minimum I'm just being moderate nature say every day bia ban benya 7.7 million Ghana cedis.
Sure.
Near the says on the average.
And so on the average,
honorable buy the credit. No, wakope biato. O he tax was na
abaya me enchia ahwefo.
Okay.
Honorable time on soon cry. Obemu
de. Omampani wa mentipedo. The 4 regional
northern regions.
So yeah. Okwa probo no aye adwuma.
Okay.
Nti yebesire nyame ama no. So ka no ho. Na nuanu ma kanyina nso se ye papa no ne ma me no muslim for the account asem o wo meka nso so onyame nka wo ho na kontu konkron no me de na otwe wie na very heavy papa se ye ne o mampani ko sunyane
okay Saturday no
yes University of Energy and Renewable Resources ya rename no after Professor K Bizia
na what is social media and sensem
Oh, with the enemy na yek.
Okay.
Nah.
More trendy or
free house so there were year bantama. Baby, I just say, also the Muninas or Mammy. Regional minister, regional chairman would to mean Penina Babuano. Near the Nimpenaka. Quick one. Yeah. Yeah, Kakakram, Amraswan, ya Cabin, I mean, can a Yibifa, Quada, Cuba, school for Quadana, acquire Dr. Nabano. Why, you have a point. Wait,
you might
CST, Communication Service Tax. Yet about 2008 under President Kufuor. Yes, sir. NDC in opposition then. Omu kasa hon papa. Na omu ntiase. Kasa hon ye. Na when him say no be there tiasa why project no ne nema na
Okay.
NDC ba bem 2000 omu bom 2008. Omu ka kire Ghana forces omu ba bem ye to aba ma wa omu bi twa sa tax no. Omu tina bem for 8 years. 2016 na omu ko. Omu ntwa sa tax no. Omu jije ho to. Enne menu nyina beji atum se communication nyina dru technology na nyina dru mpempenso bi a amaman aka no akura na won wo bie no eye ni no obi abo awuram ya mo frɛ no hacking no cyber crime wote ha na wo bank accounts abrochiri se hinu na obi kowuram no money laundering ene niema hodo bebre afede niema no circumstance no dynamics no asesa to the point say akwa affect business ankasa edwuma nti amaman dodo na invest wo anti cyber crime sika na the SI investment no kwa be na ebesia no ya high friend Sakawa yes sir yes Sakawa for ye nti ama won ni pabone for no anamuntuo our technology mu omude say sania technology eboa ye nyina communication technology eboa wi ase ni ya na ye nyina on dey say dwumade no
okay
nti ya ban asede sese o protect na ohwe se saa bone fufuo ni nyina ebetu on so sa obetu on so sa so afo hunsuo no ane de no ane nam enunti eye the industry telecommunication industry ana won wasemini nti esese yebo aye a omo telecoms
omo na eka telecommunication industry for na semmoa omo ana
aye trend aye wi asensem nyina
I said I will cancel omo asem ni no nti na mebisa dan omo na omo se ewi asesa sakawa sem no ne hacking ni nti na omo de ato aban nim se boaye na yem protect Ghana for nti na mo yes ana.
No, they do not even have to come in and say abandon the overall regulator.
Okay.
Overall regulator.
And how was our tax year to me from 6 to 9%, you know, ebe boy am I yet me protected hacking. That
is the point. Me say you need to invest in technology, a highly expensive venture. Eti bone for na invest e wo mu a ode di bone.
Okay.
Eti wonu so a we regulator na wo protect ade no. E say we are ready so we invest we disika be shem na wasia no kwan.
At 6% na moje no na enu entumi nye. Na den na mo ya cost na ye sentia. E say ye tum ko 9%.
Ya meba ho. Meba. Enu ti minister, finance minister ba no obekire mu say SSA yinya foundation ebetini advanced technology against this cyber crime no eneniam ne aka na technical issues but the phone ba chire mu yinya santi ase na enye hunu ase ye gisika no ye gene they protect the very industry wo ho sese sese wuti hoi ana memeti hoi na Facebook was one be cramming nyem call ho me nya hwe otu aye say ayi sister ya akrama me na me say fasika we bra for we bra de bia happen
no correct
ye use ministers din ye use minim say menu project ho kra ye de bia di ne pen
okay
ni nyina hia say esese ye bo ho ban
okay
now what is a project kasa o say pre kun 50% increment okay okay sisi also kasa say we say from 6% to 9%, 3% difference. Oh, please, you bring out customer.
Okay, oh, them out.
50%.
Meba.
In terms of the tax, we pay 50%. No, I prefer 4%.
Now they actually ya waka.
Tax is 6%. And it's a 9%. So the 3% na become. It is 3%, you know, calculating, you say 6%.
50% na ye it is an year 2 cities. In terms of the tax,
please respect me. Now respect the viewers.
No, it's not like that. First, no, according to graphic, you know, first, 19 pesos on 1 city. Now it's 20. It will be 22 pesos.
You are exposed.
It's like
this. You are journalism the atmosphere. Over to now, check on top of it. We are exposing you and you are 1%. A tax of 6%. Listen to me, brother.
Don't mislead people.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Hold on. 9% in terms of nominal value, it is 50%.
Thank you.
50%.
Thank you. Thank you. Please don't interject me again, please. Respect me. I've respected you all along. Listen and listen carefully. You can't brofwa. You shall be an 6%.
Yeah.
You're too muda for over 10 years now.
That's not even correct.
And you're the core 9%. Nanka every 1 city, ubetia 19 point something pesos. Say you're the banner year juma, ubetia 22 pesos. What ya? A 2 foot room when he say, ya 50%, ne boom crofo comb, and then Fahin Kusi, and then Kusi. Yes, I agree. Obia no here, true JJ and true tia. At is me. Obia, I Zacchaeus. Will be no one any kind of Bible when you have to JJ. What you say? And don't see near a yanny say, would you trono? Now, dear, the entire would be a babua or mine any jumediano. And that is the difference. And yes, I would just trono. Now we are Wabanoa. Would say a dubious judgment debt, as soon as you will call, as soon as you will call Jida. Sa Jida ne sans and same na ye tax sa communication service taxi and a Jida scano yadiko kuremwa mode abuga pela to prison or home. You misused it. What say MPP for say taxation to production to okra, and you are right. We are there for papa. What did you tax na or the back rap production? So we were just telling you, say, you just trono and fantana near Chichame, Abusiane, Namfone, Juano. You just trono near the Akodijuma in terms of production, Nadim Fasopaba. That is all that. And it is our tax way, as much as I agree with Ghanaians Bibria. Kase, yes, a trono, a costro, yes, you better more airtime. As I say, you near any because one could hear. And yes, I one casa telephone now. Who could also do wouldn't ya didn't communi, no before Robitin chair baby, no suitie, your cosina. How do you reconcile that? It is much more expensive for a company away Juma. Now only Fefwodim Kutahon, now more hinta same be no near dear Modiam Juma. Now obi Befa machines be atna baby. No what me tap into all this. No more secret, more business secret, more production line secret, more industry secret. Na ebe kwabon thing. Na more competitors be jina so de a bit more. A banisa I am far more expensive. Afe bio, yeah, no makuma ya nena mhui. This is the time as I say timid nasi ni who say credit ya matogu me phone sweet. Near the internet na me de air koswa. You're productive ana. And then for suchini be breme. Ana me koso no ma ko create near maybe a sub-7 prediasa. And we here begu asmesi be hufi, a begu be hunter by spending my money. Yeah, me no man to do. And maybe Bonsu will be at credit 5 CDs. But the good phones no arrange. Crinkle what is say? As much in plane, as much. What is said now? Hey, me say now, then they didn't tell me what said. No, Casasa, as Messi, now 5 cities credit now is gone.
Hey, and maybe I need to buy no barber. You should say the baby soon credit judiciously.
Dabby, Sabi, that be now by never, but one Casa Winnie Pediano. Your priority. Judicious use of your money. Now,
leave that one to the person.
Yes, it is left to you. It is a water.
But I can say they are not just when you see credit judiciously, so yeah, the tax, but now you saw our dream whom you know.
Well, the tax in my crown necessary dream whom you know. Because it's expensive, it's money.
But maybe say,
baby, I would
now maybe say, you know, a dear na my ya, a chesem. Car a be costing say you see a protecting now. How are you going to do this protection thing? Sir, Adekye, because the Ukan is an minister can of parliament say the beya mbabo who bind your free sakawa for hacking for no ensem. Mubaya is saying now why na ma contracting our mama estimate and moon say someone to more 6% in intimate yes jumano. You said 9%.
Yeah, I mean you are not a beer want. A technical people nejuma. Yeah, nyadia, menu me near to hay, technology and seminal. Me mentiasi could do baby. You do her, me naive. Me. And yeah, no sooner be my mouth watching my own no position for so I can say, no, you are just tax because technical for the can't say, and come me, Anka, woman, we are better massive. Okay. Dear Becomu, baby, Bibiano, technical for no war, woman. And trust me, not the person.
So that Bibiania baby saw oh, yes, National Communication Authority. They are there. Ministry of Telecommunication, they are there. Now I'm kind of cribbing. Semi po minimum. Why says a semi debatuja? And now say, oh, fresh expect be adding to necessary debatuja. Cromfono anani paboneno etuana mo ya de si ye kope hu bambo near the ababa counter now they are some public no watch any main say and then they okoya na ba. It is never done anywhere. It is never done anywhere. Until all that we are looking for is results. Your sister had no quiet say quite fast way and it should be an ahintasem as they say ya dear deja. So at the end of the day, no, say taxway increment see shasi ye juma. Ghana for entesa sakawane hacking ne sanya mani ansem.
Ya be seen ne.
So muti be a why no mo holding responsible.
Ya be seen ne malaria. Ntontom ya de ya intimisi anu tunu kra but ye betimi aka say ya kon ati so adu appreciable level. Wow. Cyber crime. Me see America no de ne ho no. Japan no de ne ho no. China no de ne ho. US or de no UK.
Thank you.
Timi twa cyber crime. Yet we say ha ana America for so say Russia for e be hacking wo mu elections. Until Russia for ne yi president ma wo. Enti ya a very serious issue. Yentimi kasa Ghana ye twam kura cyber crime ye nya bidabi.
But America to omo ICT tax bia.
Yeah, correct tax ya omu tua. Any budget ya omu make for anti cyber crime.
Okay.
Thank you for anti cyber crime. Also
Broja was some rebuttal so 2 minutes.
Yeah. On say you jume dey your sign so e man ko fosua bibi free.
Sure.
Say tax 6% of a certain value I will be consumed and now how much nsia and ye de aban je o eto e wo sika bia o spending more so aban ka say or the account 9% e kire say or the 3% account.
Okay.
But the rate of the tax, the percentage of the tax increment is 50%. That is the effect on the consumer. And I was say consumer for onipa omutua to no na omubetua. That is eno na ahwefo airpeti. Enye say from 6% to 9% into 63.9 more 3%.
Oh, men can.
But in terms of
one said your whole file calculation, no, that's the format our person offer. Because the format or better.
Me na me koto me na me koto ade na yesi nsuo ya me toyi. Special eyes say 1 cedi a aban say oje esoto 6%. Okay. Sisi aban say 1 cedi no on 6% ni bio or they call 9%. Into hemwa 3% and what the account tax ne order than. But our percentage of increment. Just me say 6% no na me 50 pesos was what. Because ye dia call 9% no me betua 1 Ghana cedi
Okay.
That is the effect to the consumer.
Okay.
It is the rate of increment, is 50%.
Okay.
Because 6%, all the 3%, echo compare. 3% ne to say 6% no watch mu now the efa abeka ho na 9%. Let us educate.
Yeah, me rebata.
They toss you. Enye 6% no nko aban bia ba no kra ne san ha nkofo. Aban san tre tax ni mu say advert a ya nkofo be ye o mahai. Nka communication service tax nkenka no. Basisi a ye de aka ho. Promotions and kofobeya everything communication ye de akoka ho ama sisi businesses are ebe sofa no businesses bebre nti nye course na ye no nko a ukoye promotion wo baby ukoye advert wo baby announcement ni ade nyina communication service tax no abanya 3 mu ama ni nyina abeka ho na no na ye meka de be ya ye se o se obi koye o Facebook page o Facebook na o se wo a aban the says can they should respect the intelligence of Ghanaians. So in the same way, these are things that concern the Ghanaian. It yempe an appropriate explanation. I say Sakawa for ne sadiano. Jisikano. Then how this tell us. Because a buying country say wakoto any new machines be and now the technology be about baby.
Thank you.
But Mary Bata and BBA Mam Kwana Kanka telegraphic from print. Consumers of telecommunication services will lose about 22 pesos of every 1 cedi talk time they buy due to the proposed increment in the communication service tax. Currently, telephone service consumers, such as mobile phone users, spend about 19.9 pesos out of every 1 cedi worth of airtime on taxes, the Chamber of Telecommunications has revealed. Yeah, it's in your ben what do you I don't know to see a 19.9 pesos on every 1 cedi.
Yes, sir. Mama number me da wase
19.5 pesos per every 1 cedi.
Yes, 19%.
Now, 50% of 19 pesos, yes, yeah, 50% of 19 pesos. Off head cry, making a catcher say it's almost about 9.6%, 9.6. 80 say would they? What they 9 cedis 60 or 19 when the num 20 they say something. So now I don't know what had clear.
6
oh
6% of 1 cedi.
On him medal was so be ma making a rebate na ya
ko. Yes, you would 19 pesos. Yes, sir. It is say about 22 pesos.
Exactly.
Yes, sir. So what's the difference? A year 50% in a 50% which actually now, when you're crashing, don't behave as if by propaganda as if say own cyber crime space in us. What you say? Oh, boapa. And now, person, woman, we are saying,
"Oka sembi say, and yet say phone and so na ma atum. They see us so be quite promotion crowd, the higher fans say so be by advert to crowd. On so bet you are tax in the also. And a first and then to say, Nanipan obey advert, no, why never hacking into an account and the Facebook identity, more explanation say, more to protect your mouth from hacking and turn us some.
Yeah. Who wajuma we yen hey me ba adverti so dubedi a wudi a use to communication ni ade obi ewia and obi hacking owia better no wagina na so na me ba advert. In any case oba me ba advert no they are all forms of communications.
Okay,
tax no at is net ye nuanu mapopofu eko suomu koto ne kogu asawi esese the better that no bia ye twende ne ba.
So you say it is a form of communication.
That's the point.
Fine. Then let's look at the second opinion. Say, and you're not explanation no. If we say, in as much as the obey adverts and all your promo no a form of communication no. Only dear no. It has nothing to do with this hackers thing you are talking about.
My linkage.
Okay.
And you're complimentary.
Okay. And no complimentary.
Indirectly, you are affected.
How?
Because who now your service provider no. And I may bow our service. Who your system is not protected until your system disrupt or system.
Which system?
How can you be
yeah, software
exactly.
And you're protected.
So
we are using that one as an example because Roja cancer.
Yes.
Obi Babe any adverts.
Yes.
Okay, so say Amy Scientific.
Yes.
Or no sponsor.
Yes.
Oba Babe any adverts. Nisikana ye be no ha say no. Sa VAT no no. Samiti de Roja kana see ya. Apart from NHI ne the otua dada no. Se see no betua 9% ni bi also. Roja sana opache
9% bear
of this CST no. But just say a 3 months no so about first name.
Now tax widening. And your communication, another form of communication. What you said it?
I agree. Form of communication.
Your communication. We are talking about communication.
No, explanation say we are increasing the tax. If you say per se,
you're protecting
mono. And then Busa said you obey adverts. No form of communication.
Yes,
good.
Yes.
But how are you protecting that person from who's hacking?
I'm saying I'm in way.
Me too.
One service provider no.
Okay.
Me Baba Joe services.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It is when you're protected. Where lies myself? Me ba better than why service na man.
And I'm saying, how are you protecting, let's say, a media house of the software? Because me say.
Now when him says NCA wo hui. Omu betumi associate of programming adi.
I know some regulated sector no. Omu share some be ma license and we say you are within the prescribed
exactly.
But how does
on tiasie nipa bebre ntiasie dabi say bonefo no time bia won di kan until the moment as we are expecting po not the way I would be counter bonefo na adwumaye no you don't make it public.
All right, thank you. Then Mama Rebata Nache because of me I mean Shemuna.
Na person tiasie.
Person me tiasie man shada tiasie papa bateye. John Nilante Vanderpool patch your Facebook comment Amudia Bani. John Nilante Vanderpool in as much as tax revenue is a source of fund to run a government, the hoping tax on communication is just unbearable, neck-breaking and excruciating. Government should reconsider. We the final consumers and average Ghanaians are suffocating in heaps of taxes. Broja mentioned earlier they are not there to do politics, but I'm afraid he's doing exactly that. Sir good morning. Honestly speaking, this government led by Akufo-Addo and ably supported by Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the only government that have the interests of the youth at heart and also committed to their promise. But for the incompetent John Mahama, when did he start to add lying to his corrupted records? The free advice I'll give him is he should get himself good campaign message for Ghanaians and stop the buga propaganda and deceit politics because Ghanaians are now discerning. Evans Kweku Tebri, if you're command #1, yeah, this thing won't end. No matter what the sitting government will do, the opposition will criticize. When they come to power, we shall face another problem. We, the citizens, now have an opened eyes. We know what is best for us. We shall write and choose who to lead us, but these noise by politicians won't move us. Antonio Benya Blade, Fia Kumazungu Takradi. Hey, NPP government, you are bringing coal tax to. It is there already. It's just increment. I'm not expecting those who voted for NPP to cry over this. That's the result of we have the men. Back to my question. Car powership prepared to relocate to Secondary Takrade is long overdue. NPP government should just follow the plan by the previous government. And then Hussein Bahuma says, my brother or my Hey, we show you. Honorable Abedi Nkwada so says, thank God DNA team arrives in Takoradi to obtain samples from relatives. Okay, they will be arriving tomorrow for analysis. But the car power ship to be transported to Western region is in line with government strategic policy for the power ship to utilize natural gas from the Western enclave. Then Kofi Akalanaba says renaming university Nana and NPP not serious about this country. Francis Kwetenet says, what did they do with the previous 6%? Ow, my Ghana. Sometimes after listening to such discussions, I can't even eat properly. Musa Abatoya, government can decide to move car power to Chebi. We care less, because what we need is stable power supply. They have no reason for whatsoever to plug us into Domso because car power is relocating to Takoradi. In any event, they hold JM responsible. That's what they owe him an apology for calling him incompetent when he was working hard to fix Domso. Let's see who is there again. Teria Emmanuel, teacher Mante. Bobby Big Boss says, when ex-President John Dramani Mahama frustratedly and deliberately claims he sent Muslim students to Cuba to be trained in gynecology, JHS boss will badly expose him. I wouldn't like to say John Mahama lied on Islamic occasion. And then Charles Priest Van Valdick says, I always say we don't have leaders in Africa. We have thieves. Ask the NPP what was the previous 6% used for. And then the real Ricardo King Kaka says, please, Mamia, I'm very sad about the tax issue. NPP need to stop because it will bring hardship to the economy. So a few of your comments there. Yenfa, 9:16. Okay, so yen see. Two topics na kano. Yen should be comfortable na. Mention time 6 minutes. The Becana who they am the bay. And school feeding irregularities a woman no baby or munya ketresa, yema womo sika, or no Adrian and answer or Jihu sika. And in your kikahu, Auditor General report and a diaba. School feeding soon care 1 quarter pa. Ain't ye bayan is saying na aye, eh? Oh, and a car pa from Takrad, from Tema to Takrad, so from T to T. Doc, Obaka dear he.
Kapa.
Okay.
Kapa ship.
Okay.
Good news, sir. Afe Yame Abuana and Penifuaya and she said we na ship no move from Tema to second D. We say currently ship no Tema habo. Na the light crude oil and heavy they say fuel oils and I a power no na a banisa a bono a costro
okay
10 cents be use gas already you were enough gas a war I produce gas fields no oil fields no so here jubilee or here 10 now share any oil fields no me idea you produce gas. Gas now you producing you say over upstream gas production na petroleum production na your gas ni be or associated gas. Just say why do you say we use crude oil no? But we use crude oil na bana ubenya gas wo. Gas na ubenya wo mu no. E two options per hour and our 3 options. Baako either say ubenya off taker source afidie a ebeje na dia ya adwuma.
Okay.
Ana bia obe flare ubegya na akɔwiem. And now, Obesan, they are called back to the well. And your friend, flacking. So,
okay.
Now, flacking here very expensive. Emma operators, no. Osan, they are coffin beam, gas and coffin beam. Osan, they are weakening oil wells, no, the walls, no. And also slow down production of the crude, no. And the most easiest is to be German acostro.
Okay.
I have flaring, no. And also German acostro, so what we call climate change. These are, friends say, methane gases, nominally, are greenhouse gases, a costra, and also so an effect against the ozone layer.
We are about the
international. As I say, we are a year, adwuma kuo ana afidi a ebegye na de aye adwuma nti kabia bra car power ship no ye de ba no na hihye ne se nke ye obibi se wo hode a ene na ntempa ye de aben no na che se tie flow banana nka wo de gu ba we de car power no kusi tema nti gas ya ye de be na se wo de free kwa na de abaye highly expensive nti na crude no so ne yusu ha nti aban ba no se da bi ye betimi a ye hihye a ye be de ade no be kwa koduru source nti na ya connect amano na aye we will save millions now any gas agreement a woman say take or pay any gas for produce gas almost totally no gas be produce about 300 trillion standard cubic feet of gas enya de ketwa so we utilize you when utilize you we tiaka and until them maybe about things aban is paying so much money about $28 million yearly ewo say no it is the ship you call ship no require about 90 million standard cubic feet of gas every day international say ebeboa na postponement abem if say na hihye ne ade na ho na wo ma me anya ntie se nyame ya adoma eyo chine ya wada yeah 15
echinechi
yes on free na ekono bedum machine no nti e free chinechi e be take off na akwa kuduru efiada ewo secondi e kuduru a won beye connections bi ni adom kekani nyina bua no a e be di now doing so 17 days nti 17 days na I started here adwuma nti eno no de Ghana gas ne benefo ye gas ho adwuma no on betimi connect na ma no na fossil fuel ye sa they say light crude and heavy fuel oils ayede ni nyina no eno so akofom na amabo na bafom na Ghana enya ho mfaso nti a very good initiative ayade a we hia ma kokoduro se wo beso ano de nipa busa bebre ni se sa between 17 days sa hihye ni nyina beba so no car power we install capacity of 470 megawatts meanwhile they are giving out 450. It is a doom and then it's not quite. It means there will be 450 shortfall. So gap no. What happens? Energy Commission, as per Ministry of Energy, Gridco, the Gridco for energy power no. Ana omodiama ECG no normal distribute. Enti Gridco Energy Commission.
VR energy. Na VR diama Gridco na Gridco momudia koma ECG seton. Right.
Okay. That change.
Yeah.
Okay. So then omune betimi akire yemu yie nea nhihye wo ho to offset that one no. But on the hand side no minim say Eastern Corridor ofa pon ne tema enclave no mo kona your dormant ibebre wo ho a
unyi ni se by now nanka ye hye na watwi ase omudi bibia beto ama Ghana fo ehun say oh mama worry say ni ye ya nke beboa.
Oh sure, abeba bonte.
Na yes a communication na nkita wodie no otwe a emma na ye den bi wo ho bi say.
Well, some aboba so the different as
because yanso ye ne another mwakasa from Ministry of Energy and Peno ka say bibi so chechem so cheche ya but edru say enhihye ye ne sign for these 17 days no so ya ne de munko ECG for akache.
Yes, sir.
But I'm just asking. Na mi bisa say ECG, say PDS, say VRU. Say the ebeye na omanfo no enya yemhye wa bi to ale fies bia no senka by now. Na mwaka cha omanfo yenhye ye say ni say na ebeye a enka emwa. Unse so omanfo ni ma fe ade na ya ade pa no ye mfollow ade pa no na fe ko bisa ena dum so ntu be hwa na fe focus na fi papa no na akwakọ di negative
me no ya going to extent but yen kan so hu se sabra me no ka say sabra engineers ne technicians so mo ye test runs e was dormant machines na be ye the stop gap no enti bia they want to be sure say bia ye drew say and ye drew say enti to mbe ba bonten no na bia o mo de guidelines are now saying betimi atasum nyese o mu beka
broja Ibrahim bi ansa na obeba no Instagram Kwame Toxic say I love the discussion and as Slayers corner say it is lit and fire fire mamo Yes, Buja, Obeka them. Doc, why should that one can school feeding na semino?
Oh, man, bra meka.
Brena san.
Meka pa.
Any big issue,
yeah.
If we say car power, former President Mahama Nedeba, of course, Minister Ghana for him. And former President Mills and Mahama Penson established Ghana Gas, a Koje Bosen Free China, $1.5 billion. And the bay and gas men quiet me, a sign the fuel generational machines. Until now, Minister of Finance called Parliament. No say former President Mahama or the infidina bar ma fikra de abroswama intimin tuahu sika. Inti omuni bikra kotenase na omachwetwetwa bim. Inti is a car power free baby ewo na akota de 17 days a. Mehi ni say also obi be ka kire say the doom so be banti enko bisa PDS and say ECG.
Obi anka say the doom so be Ghana for no mo pese omo hu say.
But ubisa
ye say no say
energy minister PR no. Sem fa doom so my o say o can clear. By then o say ko ECG o. Say necessary o ko ECG na PDS. Mind you, ECG generative power. Omo distribute. Grid co and omo power ni free VR.
Okay.
And san omo dey my
transport. Okay.
Nti o ka say ko ECG wa na kire say communication bi o ECG for ho so omo ka kire. Ba mo anso na ma be ka kire say enfidie no kra bro so ama mo ntimi ntua ska no. Nti mo toto tax mo na matwitwa bim. Then enfidie abro so dey afi dey mo ba be ka ehun asem school feeding asem no na ya asem ya. E very serious. Asem we ba ya che. Ba ya kan still abayin to hwana mo bia. Ena afedie auditor general de abeto so. Mamen ko straight, men ko auditor general sa de o maye organ nyina. O ko afidase a secretary east. Oh, say secretary east honorable. Secretary east district. Oba onu ye ketra. Aba bontia aba radio so. Abeka say DC no ene na ye nhyehyeye a baby wo ho a enkwada ni ho a ye mo school feeding. Nso omo de ahyehye nkrata mu ba na omo abegi sika na che. Ama DC ni pesu osisi ni nti wono de oso won fa sika ne ma no. Ama DC no epe no ama wadwane afri afidase ho. Asam na be todwa ama district assembly for class omo be pass vote of no confidence. Ama him for ewo afidase nyina abem. Ma me ne da ho te ho a wo ye na adwuma. The NHS aban on corruption. There be DC no na ye adwuma wo ye oba DC no. Ntina me kama me no kafra.
Okay.
Ketra no en every krom ho because only DC na nya problem. E wo sika na omo che no. Asem ni be to dwa national security for akwakoye nhwehwemu e the report wa be to dwa a confirm sika more than 1 billion e na omo achedi wo sa de no. Nipa ne da ho ye DC. Etidi na kire sa aban yi wonfo aketa se kankan ne proyes. What wa ye na dwuma? School feeding penny pa last year me kai na be to dwa se eno so sika bi enho asem nti yesi won tran chen ye nhwehwemu ya osafomafo honorable senior minister on the dano bosome nwotwenie krata bi ameto dwa nipa ne na mokwa. Nti just one case of how this government is corrupt and promoting corruption. Obi enu obetimi asent nti na omoba omu dwane for omu ntimi nkan no bi ave ka power na ye ko well mu akoshe form ni yi we ya de a Ghana for lusu sika ye betimi de aye bibi foforo. They should explain to us kwan ben na fa so a enkofo ebi wo ho a school kura ni ho na ye de ahyem say school we wo ha ye school feeding ebi wo ho ankwada e wo ho o kan krata na 170 na double no 300 and something. Sika kura ye tuatua mani pa bi ehun krata ni ho niam basa NSO school feeding. And so aban tu ho na mo bia. Adan because minimum way madam funie mabusuani nie nti we ba be ka bia ma me we ba be yesi e na ama keta se hye kankan ne proye koso na wo lusu se sika we nyina na wa be ka kire se yentua more tax na mo fa nko chase scammers se sika na e konkofo botom no. Why are you not plugging the holes? Why are you not prosecuting and for?
Okay. Thank you.
School feeding.
Oba can be because
why
so I can't
why not?
for 2 minutes.
Why not? Auditor General.
Now, say men kai also be can be. In 2 minutes and be kind no and be can school fee.
I know the Okofaba make be.
Mama can.
Obviously.
Na
corruption.
Na limited time because 9:30 I'm limited time to make hear me. Auditor apprentice, Auditor General why na adwuma. School feeding.
Okay.
The law must take its course. No problem. Now, what evidence there? Okay. Now, now, Bibia Bedeja, former President Mahama, Akokan Bibi, Nano, Kwesiada. No kure bien, as a Ghana fort. No kure woman say, Nano Ukwad Meminada, Ukwada, a core, Cuba, Kushia Homa, medicine, Omaba. The late President Professor Mills, I find a crazy, ne pencil, and no more recruit for about 217. Don't go from SHS level, and no more call. Mukusia, Oma, medical officers, Omaba. I feel no more baby, and sorry. Ghana Medical Association name, Ghana Health Service, and she say, Umbe and sorry. Umi and sorry, anyway. Na yaji on tumwa say ya na license won afi no be housemanship bi mfie mienu omu wie mfie mienu na afi o ma ye regular medical doctors na chese enti ya asem papa mo men e ya de a san hihye no eye free breastfeeding President Mahama say eye ono na penso ana omu de nkwala no maya na strategically omu sheda pikin won free songo communities maya kusunya doctor sebeya omu ba be gynecologist oya gynecologist obstetrician gynecologist no matimi abehwe yenuanom ne maamenom ewo muslimi mu ifise anu mu ye comfortable say ma doctors ebehwe won wo awodie mu ne sa ne mane complete lie kontompo na minim won a etimi nya kokoduro kan sa asem ne kire former president so nkoka efise yai me between me no nim ye lawyer de we LLB a ye mfra lawyer wo ise no wax komakola no awie na wo awie su kra no ise opeso specialize ya te se petroleum law e se okoye masters yes sir sani afro petroleum lawyer said they are friend so now enkwere ba ye nyina ye medical doctors to speak answer na abetinya obstetrician gynecologist no this we a doctor dada doctor ya license so na ya license we a wakoye housemanship 2 years no we 2 years ni wie na fe we wadwuma na wa apply se o pese okoye federal course na oko federal wo
okoye specialization
enti kwada akoye specialization be no mkoye
thank you
na the abwene by because say from the vice president now, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Okosi President Akufo-Addo Anan, a graduation person of Cuba.
Okay.
A honor name fellow vice president he didn't come. No, so my idea, my boy, na afidi no mesro. In Sicilian or honor. Mumbema Dipabe 240 nebeko, but me pese a mube 40 and now 41. Me sheda efa doctors dada. I bedroom free zongo communities. I am Maya. Now woman muma baby sunya sa specialization no e de aka ho ana o ma grant ya ma no eno no o mte ho popo ya o mdi mirika hu ntimi sremo tiefo o mutie a ntie ne ye President Mahama ne the late President Mills nkwada o mdo o mko no ma ba mpa o me doctor for o me gynecologist.
Thank you. Yes,
the edikan enye former President Mills a persona ye this doctor for ne ko Yedi omo kona
a school for a doctor.
A school for ne koya ma be a doctor for.
Okay.
Former President Mahama and a Penny November 2012. In fact, omo call in 2013. Crampo. Until that's the
2013.
Yes.
Okay.
And omo call train.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay.
Until let us know that one. The tosumi no. Bra yedin omo
Dog, mebao. Nkolano ko sorry a school for no call brebe because almost say
2012 omuko late 2012 say me chire me writer but you see the truth is
late 2012 thank you. So that's sorted
late 2012 and a cabinet a passing memo November 2012. Omuko drew Cuba and Casa was into it. It matters.
Yeah.
Because person say former President Mahama na di omukoye. I am proving to you on the omukoye.
Okay.
That's one. Hold on. Omo a omuko Cuba no 250. 50 of them omo ye Ghana doctor for dada. They went to specialize. If you don't have information, don't do that. Nipa 50 omo mai. They are specializing in gynecology.
But so Matisse Scholarship Secretariat Registrar, no. Oh, I've forgotten the name. And let me give you details. You see, it is because of Sir Dr. Baumia story bino anyway because he did 250 ne konokrano. NPP organized a press conference. Professor Frimpong Boateng organized a press conference. And was in no way a waste of money. See, I did almost training. The press conference is there. November 5th, 2012. And I'm more organizing a press conference against it. Hold on. It's one my idea. Yeah, let us now 3 minutes.
Now, they say, free zongo community. Let us ask ourselves. Yes. Say, free zongo community. Have we examined the course content? Dr. NPP MP. Professor Dr. Okoboy. Onye gynecologist.
Lojo Kuku.
Onye gynecologist. But they be out between fideswa. Osu oko doctor for hospital. Kobwa MMA omoji awo any yesho womu nyina oye bibwa. Every doctor will be a medical doctor be and sana obe specializing. You have a general idea about the field. The fact is specializing will be the case efa petro hu brewa untimindi nti ono abo untimin kodi case efa petro
on your specialization
no before his specialization obi their case ba nefa petro hu untimin kodi
ideally ube so you see ideally ube pe unua lawyer ni ai ho ye ne field
no even in the legal fraternity I don't know so much but they frown on people calling themselves a constitutional lawyer. Me a way lawyer. Hold on, honorable, hold on.
Specializations are...
Hold on. Enti, yako yede omwa kwaba. Mo kaseti aye. Nyamia ya do mo aba. Mo afe na mo suma ko Cuba ho ebio mo. E ko stress ye ma mo kwan ne mfa nipa 30 pe enko no mo nkosua doctor.
Oh, 30 to 41.
Okay. Oh, the more than 150 crown a crowd in Abu. Yeah, the 250 are called. I'm 200 back. We are doctor for. You want to measure on the minor.
Nyaboche, okay, say, ampa. 200 we are doctor for. They are like to say, a Richard for Beckham, we are general practitioners. One who say, Mudi, Omu specialize in Ghana.
Nipa 250 na koye.
Okay.
You see, I'm challenging Ghana Health Service.
Okay.
They should give us the individual details of Nipa koye na. And no because there are 50 and no doctor for that.
Oh.
Specialized. But even apart from that, there are a lot of you see the structure of it. Yes, that say ma Muslims. Send your beya ma feel comfortable with male and no cry idea. It's specializing in gynecology. Ubetimi afa obi ene sebi previous okita PhD only medicine ohwe e de na koso onko specializing in gynecology no obviously so say nipa na doctor answer yeah inti yemfa nimpo say I'm not saying that is the fact. Yemfa nimpo say there was no specialist among them. Yeah, that's the fact. A doctor for na omabano. Omutimi nye gynecology.
Omo ya doctor for makosua de. Omo ye Ghana for mabo omo beboa o man no. I didn't say we ye chinye wo ye ntem.
Former President Mahama eko zongo for program eye Al Suna omo organize Eid festival and prayers and wokobi inti ne kasa mu no and wo ka say nyame ya adom o ye mampani o ma ode o mo call Cuba no o mo aba o share da ye say yemfa Muslims a o mo ye ma enka ho se ne be ya gynecology omo pese
that's the point
important very important concern for Muslims
another when it comes to healthcare delivery mesremini anuma mayofo
Cuba doctor for
when it comes to healthcare delivery, Miss politicians in our desperation for power, Mummy any religion at no point, me companoche wabantama me call the bia at no point Muslimi lady bia hospital or insist to say me my doctor. Why are you doing this to people of Ghana? We are so desperate. Mahama is so desperate. Where one
thank you.
Doctors are so desperate.
Cuba now.
So desperate.
Why do you want to do that? Why do you want to do that? Why do you want to create that ethnic and
NDC communication team member and Honorable Henry Kwabena Kokofu and so your MPP communication team member Nemomno or your former MP Moman for Bantama. Happy birthday to you, Mr. Ni Ejaben Ankra of Kashiman Official Town. I pray for long life and good health for you from AK-47 Kwame Adekye. And then good morning to you, my good friend Richard Dakon of the Office of the First Lady. Pacha no pay made that MacBro collection I say for Mpabwa or the mea media shot idea fe MacBro ewo pig farm otra be the Pele Plaza and ko nim kakrabia wonsa benkum so friend 0244211491 na fe makache studio fix madam wansese mo fix mami fix me nails fix me lash fix massage any bibia Pacha studio fix ewo jolo or wabronsan na special best pension womuna abronsana best pension o trust special ko nim pa first plaza no enu e plaza 1 e plaza 2 emu na studio fix ewo fe wonum 020-296-6553 and 0243846-719. Now studio fix be fix amount. Now meeting you the AJ Essentials East Legon. The wama East Legon for my and trending no muti fe pacho so once na ho cry you ti wo ho hu sa na enye de enti sheshe J Essentials Instagram J_Essentials na East Legon the Malibu Avenue for 024363905.
You many then, mammy. I tell you about the Georgia, Mutus, and I quite share why.
Watch out.
Because I can't say, so let me fix it.
Oh, bet you are vexing. I don't quite hear your patch of brand V8 to be done with fashion. How far? Oh, more better.